Good morning. We're getting ready to go to Vietnam. This is our breakfast selection. Really quick breakfast today. We got about 10 minutes before we head to the airport so we can be there early and do our check-in. Let's see what my husband's up to. Morning.
Morning. You want to stay here at this table?
Okay. He's eating healthy. I'm about to go to the pastry area.
I can't eat sausages, but they are my favorite. So when I have the occasion, I will do it.
He goes for it. He has like a little allergic reaction to them, but it's all right because we're just going on a flight, right? It's a perfect occasion. I love you, baby. On the road again.
A new expedition, a new day. New expedition.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the house.
Hey, almost getting to security and we're out of here.
Hello.
We're going on a cruise. Just kidding. I feel like it's gonna be a really long trip. It's not too late to go back. If you want to go back, this is your chance to go back.
Nice to meet you. I'm going. Hey, I want to see I've got some Stellar 3.
Okay.
Stellar 3.
Then we got
Stellar arthritis.
chicken, salad. This looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna like this a lot. Okay, time to eat and watch Moana. It's pretty good. That's what we'll be eating in Vietnam most likely every day.
We can approve this.
Cheers. A little windy.
Going to Doha.
The wheels on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The wheels on the bus go up and down. On the road again. Welcome to Doha, sir.
I want to eat her nostrils.
We are going to... I'm not sure actually if we're getting our baggage here. I don't think we are.
I don't have something to say, but it's interesting. It's quiet, it's nice, it's clean.
Very clean. We're looking for a nice lounge to go spend some time at. Mmm. Okay. Mmm.
This is hummus?
Yeah. Chickpea hummus. It's good? Yeah, chickpeas. And walnuts.
No.
I'm excited to try the soup before it gets cold. This is amazing. You can really feel the coconut in it. I feel happy. I'm gonna have 5 more. So I went and I got a second round for the soup.
Has another taste, totally different.
Really?
Yes. And we have another thing. Red
Oh,
velvet.
my favorite cake. Red velvet cake. No? It's whatever? How cute is this bear? This is a cool airport. Whoever likes Oreos. Well, that looks so good. And lots of gold here. Oh, let's look at gold. Think.
I'm thinking that I didn't see something like this before, but this is not the model. This is the model and this is wrapped.
Yeah, it's just a different wrap.
This one is not. I mean, what?
Oh, okay. No, this is different. Peanut butter. It's like a muffin or something. Yeah, this is like a muffin. We haven't had this before. I don't know. I'm confused.
We are so sleepy.
Yeah.
We can't believe this.
We're pretty tired and we have 7 hours left to fly. And then 2-hour layover and then another hour to get to Phu-Quoc. So, cheers to that. On the way to B9. Will you be mine? About to catch our flight to Ho Chi Minh. And then we're gonna have another 1-hour flight and get to the island. So we're excited. It's really packed in here. We ate way too much, so now we're doing a little cardio. Here's the champ. We forgot one of the tickets at the lounge because they needed it to hold our suitcase. He just ran back for it. Proud of you. Put your seatbelt on.
So finally, we are in the plane. This is something unreal because we forgot one of the tickets at the lounge. I was in need to run.
Yeah, he had to run, and the second he got there, they said they were getting ready for immediate boarding. So we made it right on time.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the event of
What you got there?
Bread, but it's not good.
It looks good.
Take it.
Okay. I have my own bread, but thank
I have
you.
something like a dessert.
Yeah,
And here I have some beef.
looks like a good dessert.
Beef with rice.
Okay, let's see. That looks pretty good. And I got some chicken gnocchi. This looks like a veggie salad. Pretty nice. Is this like dessert? It looks like a pudding.
Look at the party.
It's a party.
Rice with beef. Let's taste the beef first.
This is pretty much going to be your meal every day
Yes.
in Vietnam. What do you think? Really good? I'll have some. Good? Oh my god, I ate so much. I'm so full.
We are in Vietnam.
He is speechless. We've done enough running for the day. I can't believe we made it. We thought we were gonna miss our flight, but here we are, and we'll keep you guys updated. Ready to go.
She's ready.
I'm ready.
10 and 13.
It's 10 a.m. We haven't slept at all, but okay, here we are. Okay, so this is our ride. Oh, this is so beautiful. Nice.
I'm serving to you
Thank
something
you.
fresh.
Okay, what do you think? Look at this. Ooh, I gotta hold this. This is my favorite part. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Look at this.
Yeah, let's try. Great.
I wish I could explain how fresh this coconut is. I think we're going to be on a strict coconut diet for the next 30 days. This is it. Coconuts on coconuts on
Does this
coconuts.
exist?
Yep, I don't know. We're going to do a coconut challenge.
The best must still be Bentray coconut, and the best Phu-Quoc is fish and shrimp.
Oh yes,
Ooh.
we will try
Well, we'll
this.
try some shrimp
We will
for
try
sure.
this for sure.
Thank
We
you
are
so
coming here
much.
for sure to eat. This place is wonderful.
Paradise. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Look at all these birds. Hi.
Those are pigeons.
Yeah, pigeons. Beautiful pigeons.
This place
Paradise.
is, can you see how quiet is?
You know what this looks like? The Microsoft screensaver back in the day.
Yes, but it's so quiet because it's not
is.
in the season.
Okay, let's
First
see.
time on the
Woo! First time in the sand. Oh, it's beautiful.
The sand is so smooth.
This is 2 minutes away from our place.
Not even 2 minutes.
Not even.
Oh my God.
Sports beach.
What do you think about this place?
I think I love it. Our ride is here to go to the market and grab some food. Okay, to the market we go.
So this is the most interesting part of the day.
Ooh, and
Until now.
it's breezy.
It's so windy.
Yeah,
It's breezy, exactly.
it's perfect. We needed some air. It's too hot in here. And this is Christmas. They have really cool snacks here. Ooh, banana bread. Oh, this is a butter toast. I like these. Yeah, fresh fruit, grapes. Oh yeah, jackfruit chips.
What is this?
I've never tried jackfruit actually. So many fresh fruit. Dragon fruit, it looks really good.
This is very, very interesting. I just want to eat this thing.
So everything here is about like $4 so far. Okay, this is way better. Let's fill that baby up. Oh my gosh, look at this. White coconut coffee.
Wow.
This is some kind of beef jerky, and here we have some fried octopus with coconut, I guess.
But this one is looking very weird. I mean, it looks like a tree.
It does look weird.
Skin.
It does look like tree skin.
What are those nails?
Pork skin.
Oh,
An octopus. A rice paper with flavors. That's cool. Lays with sushi. Nori seaweed lays. Okay. This is my favorite snack in the world. Ooh, taco Doritos. Yum. So the elevator got stuck when we were trying to go down. I am
so we start to
starving.
begin.
We started eating. I've been starving for 3 hours. Get some snacks.
So this is the smallest banana I ever had and I ever seen in my life.
It's different. I think these are good with peanut butter. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a fruit.
Flavored milk drink.
It's interesting. It's different.
It's milk with never tasted before.
Yeah. Well, good morning.
Good morning.
At 8 p.m. They have cute lights on. I don't think it's for Christmas. Wow, we slept a little bit. Our timing isn't great because we're gonna be up all night, but we'll work on it. We came to check out the night markets here. Oh, hi. Love these lights and fresh fish. Hi. Oh, thank you. We'll be back. Ooh. Look at this lobster. See what they have. So this is about $2. Okay. Steamed lobster, that sounds good. So this is the night market.
Christmas lights.
Look how pretty. On Christmas lights on palm trees. See what they have. I'm really craving a banh mi, but obviously it's with pork. That's the traditional way to have it. I just feel like having something with chicken. How about you?
I want a big portion of rice and chicken.
Okay.
It's so hot here.
We had some mineral water.
So I was thinking that is mineral water, but
We thought it's sparkling water.
it's tasting like water with magnesium.
Yeah, you know when you pour those little magnesium pills into the water. I like it. It's gonna keep us hydrated though. It's cool that we can get this just off the street,
look.
you know? Look at all. Ooh, B6.
B6.
I need B6.
So this is really with something.
It's really cool. Okay, we just ordered our food. It's a party in here.
Let me see how is this.
These look so fresh.
It's better than yours.
Let's see. I made these for him a while ago. They weren't that good. Is it better than mine? Okay, I guess not.
Oh,
I guess that's my dinner. He's so picky. Let's see if he's picky or he just doesn't like this kind of food.
her turn.
It looks good. I don't know what he's fussing about.
Hmm? Why, you don't like it? It's your favorite. It has some
Mint, parsley.
parsley, has parsley. It's mint.
Okay, we're gonna take it apart. I think it's the mint that we
You
don't
can't
like.
understand how dried is the shrimp. I never eat a shrimp that dry. And this thing has mint in it.
Yeah, it has mint. That's the traditional way to have it, but yeah, it's a no for us. Hi. That's my husband's chicken.
Oh.
Okay, let's see.
Oh.
Good?
This is great.
Okay, tell me how it is. It's good?
The beef is so chewy.
Chewy.
I can swallow it.
It looks pretty good. I'll try it.
It just made.
Reconstructed without mint. This is very offensive what we're doing. I know. It's really offensive, but we're hungry and we don't want to wait for anything else. Still the same taste?
It's much better.
Much better.
Right.
I'm alright, thank you. We got a banh mi because I'm still hungry.
And I don't know what to take because I'm also hungry. Guess what? And the food that we just eat was how much in dollars? 10?
About $10. Oh, they're nice. They brought us some watermelon on the house.
Watermelon free.
It's pretty good. Banh
So,
mi.
banh mi. Oh, okay. This is good.
It's really
I
good.
put some sriracha, and this is great.
Mm. There you go. Making friends in Phu-Quoc. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hello.
I thought he told you.
Oh my god.
Going to the beach because we want to make some tent. I mean, it's just 11 p.m.
11 p.m. Let's go get tanned. What do we have here?
We have some Bivina larger beer, and this is something like I never seen before.
Lime Pepsi, 0 sugar. Sounds good.
It's good that they are
Oh,
cold.
I like that he's showing me the coffee. It's a Vietnamese Nespresso coffee. I'm excited to try it. Look at this.
Alright.